So here we left a section of F-channel out so we can show you how to install it. We're going to mount it here on this nailing flange that we've put above our masonry so we can get our nails in it. We've already wrapped it in trim coil. And we're going to measure our part from the inside corner to the outside. So I've got a small piece of F-channel here and we're going to install it here. So with the F-channel we're going to go up against the pre-existing piece and we're going to make our cut here along where this transition part is, and this height is already at the right height that we want our soffit to mount to. So I've got our part cut to length, and we're going to align this piece of the bottom of the wood here with the top of our F-channel. So the top of our F-channel represents the plane at which the soffit will be mounted. So now I'm getting ready to install my miter divider. What the miter divider does, it'll hold the soffit in an intersecting corner. So I've already trimmed out the receiving end here. That's going to go inside of my F-channel. I'm going to tuck that up in there and I'm going to set it right here where it's going to go underneath the fascia, and I'm going to strike my measurements and cut it to size. Alright, now we've got our F-channel and our miter divider. We'll now go to start cutting our soffit and fitting it into the receiving pocket. So now we're getting ready to install our soffit. So the soffit will go inside the F-channel here and be just back from flush on the fascia. So to get a measurement, we're going to measure from the top of the F-channel to the edge of where the fascia is going to mount, and we'll subtract roughly 1/4 of an inch. We want the soffit to be back away from the fascia so it doesn't telegraph through the fascia if it were to bump up against it. 19 3/4. Now we've got our soffit cut to length, and we're going to go ahead and install it into the F-channel, into the receiving leg, and onto the fascia. Alright, we've got our soffit into our F-channel, and we've got our receiving leg and receiving pocket lined up. We're going to push it together, snap, and we're going to make sure we've got this dimension the same as the rest of the openings in the soffit so it all looks consistent. We're going to install some trim nails here to hold it up until we get the fascia on. So I wanted to stop and show you here just a quick little detail of how the soffit goes together. So we've got our receiving pocket and we've got our receiving leg. So the leg will lay right there on top of it, get installed inside there, and pinch together.